Hey guys, Roman asked me to come to his house because he has something special to show me.
Hey dude, check this out. You know what this is?
No.
It's a problem solver.
Oh yeah?
Yeah, you know what the problem is?
What is the problem?
That JL is a convertible, but it's not easy to convert.
Well, you're damn right about that.
Yeah, let's show them what the problem is. Why don't we take those freedom tops off and then show them what's in the box.
All right.
Because if you want to convert it to, let's say, open top vehicle, there's a lot of things you have to do. So why don't we show them? So you gotta obviously undo all these.
Yep, that one too.
That one too. Yep, there's another one. Another one.
Yep.
And then here's the trick, right? You have to take these guys out. All right, there you go. Let's take them off from the outside.
Yep.
And then the question is, now you've got these panels, right? And what do you do with them? Well, you can throw them in the back of the Jeep, which is grand, but they take up the whole back. And if you throw that one on top of it,
I could chip the top of it and kind of mess it up. So you got to put a piece of fabric between it. It's kind of a pain.
or there are these like sleeves you could put.
Yeah.
You know, Jeep gives you these sleeves and you can put them in these sleeves, but that's not a great solution because basically you're stuck with these two panels that take up all your trunk space.
Yeah, no cargo space there.
And so what you end up doing usually is you put one here and you put one in the back seat.
Right.
So there's a solution to that.
All right.
And the reason we're at my house is because, Nathan, the solution involves having it done at your house. Let me show you. So Nathan, in the box we have Sunrider for Hardtop. It's a soft top convertible made by Best Top, and what it does is it replaces those freedom panels. And the reason I've got Matt here is because Matt will come to your house and actually install this. So in this video, we're going to show you how that process works. That's why we're at my house. So I say we start with an unboxing and see what's in here. All right, Nathan, so this replaces this.
Very cool.
Isn't that cool?
Yeah, so why don't we go and install this?
Well, we could install it ourselves, but why would you when you could have somebody who's done it before, who can do it quickly and who can do it right, do it for you?
Okay, that's a really good point.
Yeah, and the other reason we're in front of my house is why would you do that when they come to your house and do it? You know, it's kind of like when you go get your glass replaced. You can go and stand in line and wait for the glass to be replaced, or you can have them come to your house and replace it. Same thing with this. Let's have somebody who knows what they're doing, and I believe Matt does know what he's doing, and I want to learn from him anyway. I want to see how he's doing it. So Matt, how many of these have you installed?
So I've installed about 40 of these Sunrider for hardtops.
Yeah, and how long does it take you?
Usually it takes about 30 to 40 minutes.
But if people wanted to do it themselves, why don't we film you doing it, and you can actually kind of give people how to install these things if you decide that you want to do it yourself, or if you decide you want Matt to do it for you, well, that's also another option. So kind of walk me through the process.
So first of all, you want to look at take the top out of the package, out of the plastic. You want to check your side rails, make sure you have a left side rail and a right side rail. So this is going to be the passenger rail, you can tell by the Best Top logo. And then we want to look at our hardware and our install instructions. First thing we would do would be to go ahead and put the side rails on. It'll be a long bolt that you're going to actually attach to this part of this side rail. Position this here, like this, and then you're going to go ahead and put this bolt underneath here.
It's supposed to be coming out through there, right?
It is.
Okay,
Yes,
good.
sir.
All right.
We'll take the deck, the main top, and we'll put this on top of the vehicle. So you want to line up there's going to be
Three holes like that?
a hole right here.
Yep, I got it.
Probably the easiest way to attach it.
Yep.
There's going to be a cable that runs the length of the top.
Yep.
And in the back, you want to attach it to this side rail. So the next thing you want to do is we're going to line up these holes.
So we'll go with this hole.
Right, and then the nut will go on the top. There's a hexagon opening right there. And then we're going to attach these two smaller screws underneath. these down, we want to go back and tighten those long bolts. So the next step is the hardtop bracket. We're going to put this bracket in here.
Matt, are you saying that's all there is to it?
That is all that's to it. Let's go ahead and flip the Sunrider down. We'll lock it into place. Make sure everything's nice and secure.
Well guys, there you have it, a total of 10 bolts. And with the help of Matt, I say it took exactly, what would you say, Matt, 10 minutes to put that on?
Yeah, probably about 10 minutes.
10 minutes, and we've got a vehicle that is now truly topless versus something that is topless with a lot of fuss and bother. So I think we need to take it for a ride, Nathan. What do you say?
Hell yeah.
So Nathan, a couple disclaimers.
Okay.
First of all, you don't have to help Matt, right, Matt?
Absolutely.
You don't.
So the guy will come over, he'll take care of it, you could just walk away, you don't have to.
Right. And he'll do it, Matt's version of himself somewhere else, right? We'll do it any place in the country, which is cool.
That's cool.
And they'll come to your house, or they'll come to your workplace, and they'll do it in a number of different Best Top products. So it's not just this one, but this is the one that we wanted because it's really cool.
Yeah, definitely.
So let's show them why it's cool, because now to take the top off, right? It's just a matter of bling. Yep, there you go. And bling. Look at that, dude. We've got...
And it'll stay like that
Yeah.
as we're bouncing around.
Yeah, let's take it for a ride, man.
Sounds good.
And I know it's snowing today. It's snowy today in Colorado, but give it a day, right?
I know, seriously.
Yeah.
Well, it's completely clear blue skies, and by tomorrow it's going to be 50 degrees and all the snow will be off the ground.
So what do you think, Nathan? You like this?
I like how quick it is. You just boop boop and then you pull it back.
So why don't we pull over and close it up and see how hard it is to close up?
Okay, that sounds good.
Yeah, let me pull over here. All right, Nathan, let's close this up.
All right.
That is easy. Dude, it's super quiet. I mean, I'm doing 40 miles an hour and I'm just talking regularly.
Yeah, it's not much of a difference between this and the Freedom Top. It's a simple and elegant solution for a problem I didn't realize we had.
Yeah, you know, it's one of those things, you buy a Jeep and you want it because it's a convertible.
Right?
And then you find out that not so easy.
Yeah, it's kind of a pain in the neck to remove those panels. I like this. So Roman, you're going to come with him to all the installs, right?
You know, I like helping out, Nathan, but you don't have to help out. You can just go to besttop.com, order the Sunrider for Hardtop, and they'll take care of everything else. It's that simple.
So check it out, my dad and Nathan just finished having the soft top installed, but here's the question. Does it leak? Because I had the old hardtop Freedom panels installed and they were 100% waterproof. I could take it through the self-wash or an automated car wash with no issues. But the question is, now that we've replaced this forward portion with the Best Top Sunrider, is it gonna work in what environments? That's what we're here to find out. So this was a pretty extreme test. Full pressure ride on the seams of the body and the top. Let's head inside and see how it did. It actually held up really well. So here along the front, no dampness there in the corner. Yeah, it looks really good. I mean, this was full water pressure. It was fully latched down. Coming back here, that also looks really good. I would say that the Best Top held up extremely well against the pressure washer. Now here's the question. If we go over one bay, there is one extremely scary, sketchy looking 1970s rotary kind of wash machine. We're gonna see if that can penetrate the Best Top and if we get any wetness. Okay, here we go into the super scary car wash. Wow, that is wild. can feel the top one just absolutely spraying down on the roof and no issues. So I think we're gonna make it out of here unscathed.
And there's other products too, right?
Yeah, there's a whole bunch of other things you can get installed as well. Once again, check out besttop.com, and thank you to our friends at Best Top for making this video possible. As always, this is Roman.
And Nathan.
Thanks for watching. Remember, check out tflcar.com for more news, views, and of course, easy soft top reviews. See you guys next time. Ciao.